Well, that's the first layer of wax. Just a load more to go. So I won't bore you with that to death. But yeah, it's just one layer, so I'm going to leave that for a minute. And then I'm going to get on with some bit of filling at the back. And maybe I've got to take a template of my passenger side rear arch, so I want to check it against the other side, because to me they don't look quite the same, so I just want to check it. So I'll be doing that shortly. Put some more PVA on, because this does look like it needs another coat up here. Right, so got my side skirt bit out. I've done layers of wax, blah blah blah. Put the PVA on it. I'm just going to warm it up a little bit because I'm impatient and I want to get on. So I'm just going to give it a light warm and then mix up some gel coat and get gel coat in, and then you've got to let it set up in between each layer of gel coat. So that's 2 layers of gel coat, and then in between that I shall cut some fiberglass matting up and get on with it. So I'm going to give it a quick warm up with this, and I'm going to carry on. If I
got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay.
Right, we're going to let this set up for a bit. I might play the heat gun on it in a minute, just a little bit. The last time I did it, I wrinkled it like a crisp packet, so should I do that? I don't know, but I might do. So I'm going to leave that, blah blah, and I need to make some templates to check my arches as well, so I might get on with that in a minute while this is drying. So I'm going to clean my brushes, and then yeah, carry on. Right, so I'll just cut that out because I want to check this, because I'm convinced some of it's okay, but this bottom bit didn't look right to me. Yeah, so we are. Oi, oi, oi. I'll go and have a see how well my gel coat's drying, and maybe put another coat of that on if it's drying, and if not, I'll start the compressor up and to take some more shape off of this. Although you're never going to see both sides at the same time, so I do want it as good as I can get it. The front is not too bad, so it's this one which I kept looking at and thinking it's not right. So that just go to prove it that it's quite a bit out. So this is too bulbous there, so it needs to come in more. But yeah. Oh. second layer of gel coat, and I'm debating whether the arch at the back, because there's, if you just see it, depending on what order I play the video in, there's quite a bit of shape difference from one side to the other on the arch at the back, so I'm not sure if to just rip it off and then start again with the foam and the filler and all that, but I don't really want to. The front one, I don't think it's too bad. We're going to take some more templates off the front one. I'm pretty sure that's all right. I took templates off the front edge and it doesn't seem too bad, but the back, I'm just not happy with it yet, so we'll see, shall we? But I'm itching to get it all put in primer and just to, you know, get it in the colour, but I need to slow down a little bit and make sure I do it right. But
I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable.
That's me done for tonight. Let's stay that. Oh well. Ooh, right, it's the next day. I'm going to see how successful we are with this one. So whether I've rushed it or not. So I'm not sure if we can jam wedges in there or... Oh, not too bad. A bit of broken gel coat there, but we can sort that out. And you can see where all the PVA's come off with it. And so yeah, bit of trim in, and then that should be another piece to go on. I'm going to trim this underneath. I want it to fit up onto the original side skirt. So I think what I did with the mould, where this side look is nice and shiny, I should have lapped that, so the shiny bit should have been there, but yeah, whether I don't know whether to use this to see if I can try and do a reverse mould, or I'm just going to have to do the expander foam and filler trick on the other side, because it seemed to work, does seem to work better that way. That the fiberglass, which I've done on that side, and what I was trying to do is flip the moulds. It's kind of all right on the front one, the rear one not so much, so I think I've created myself more time, or more work should I say. So I'm impatient and I want to paint it. So clean this up a bit maybe. Give it maybe a DA, or I don't know how you get the, I don't know what the easiest way to get the PVA off is. I've not really asked that question. I think you can just rub it off. But I want to maybe trim it up and see if we can get it to fit. Or do we leave it?
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow,
Right, I'm back on with the front bumper for a bit. I've started waxing that because I really need to do is take a mould off of this bottom bit. And I ain't done it, and I need to, because I'm getting frustrated now that that side has not come out as good as I'd like, because I tried to do the reverse fiberglass and rubbish, which I was told wouldn't work by people, and I've done a little bit and it did work. So I think it would have been easier to do the expanding foam and the filler on that side. So I'm probably gonna make a mould of that and then do expanding foam and filler on that bit, and the same for the side skirt again. So there'll be some more bits which are the same. But I want to mark this out again properly, and then cut this out as an air vent, because obviously my radiators are back there, and I want to make something in there to split the air. So what goes that way and more goes that way. But we'll see. I'm going to mark something up and then see if I can replicate it on the other side, or we could cut a template out. Not sure. But I think I'll mark something on there first, and then maybe I can hold something up underneath, mark it with a pen, and flip it over on the other side. That would work, so I'll go with that. So my little hack for doing radiuses sometimes is this little piece. So if you've got an old cutting disc, we use it at work sometimes for marking mouse holes on material and stuff like that. So I've got myself a tiny little circle. I'm going to put that up in the corner and mark radiuses.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back.
I've got my little Jenga blocks. I'm just going to pack it up because I think I can trim in around there onto that, and the same on the other end, and then I can prop it up, because I think I still need to obviously remove this, but this is going to be going on, and then I'm probably going to bond it on rather than trying to screw this on.
Show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable.
Right, that's it for me this week. Haven't managed to achieve a great deal this week, but is what it is, isn't it? So I started cutting a hole in that, so I'm going to take a template of that now. I'm happy with that, and then I'll just reverse that over to the other side. I've got to put some more wax on that, even though now I've got dust and crap in it, but oh well. But yeah, we'll see what we get on. So then remember, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.